Hello everyone. Crude oil prices are rising again. This is causing some anxiety in the markets. This is the chart of US crude oil. It has a very strong momentum. In just barely a month, it has gone up by around 17%. Though it is still too early to tell, this could be a sign of a possible reversal. Also, the price bounced from its support. There is a support at around $65 to $68. The momentum of crude oil prices was caused by the tensions in the Middle East. Iran fired missiles to Israel on what they say was a retaliation. But whatever the reasons for it, it threatens the global economy again. The threat is in the inflation rate. Crude oil prices and inflation have a very strong correlation. Here's the chart showing the correlation between crude oil price and inflation. Inflation is the white line and crude oil price is the pink line. If crude oil price rises, inflation rate also rise. So now that crude oil prices are rising, there is a possibility that inflation rate will follow sooner or later. If the tension persists and get worse, equities are going to be pressured. Crude oil price will continue to rise and it will put or pull inflation up with it. It will bring the cost of doing business higher, which will affect companies. So stock prices will likely drop. Here's a chart showing the correlation of crude oil to Dow Jones. Crude oil is the white line and Dow Jones is the pink line. If you notice, if crude oil price is dropping, Dow Jones is rising. Else, if crude oil price is rising, Dow Jones is dropping. Crude oil and equities have an inverse correlation. So monitor the tensions in the Middle East closely. It could be a major driver for the markets. If tensions will escalate, it could derail the global economy. However, if tensions will ease, and we really hope it will in the soonest possible time, the global economy will maintain its upward trajectory. So be defensive and on guard. Prepare for both scenarios. Prepare a strategy if tensions will ease, and also prepare a strategy if the tensions will escalate. The outcome is going to be just either of the two. Whatever the outcome is, you must be prepared so you can make the right decisions and actions.